Hi, and I'm Safir. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a ladybug. So, you need one pom-pom, two googly eyes, two circles, and one pen and glue. Now I'm going to show you how to make it. Put glue on the googly eye, then put it on the pom-pom. Then do the same on the next one. Now you need to put glue on the circles. And put it on the side. There. Now you need to put the spots on it. Now leave that to dry. So leave it for a while. When your table's dirty, just wipe it with a cloth and you leave it. You see it's dry, then put the spots. At the end, you'll get like this. Goodbye, and I'll see you next time.